Hi, this is Gogi from Gogi.in, and here is the unboxing and review of Jiayu G4 Android powered handset. The specifications are not mentioned on the box pack. This handset is with 2GB RAM and 32GB internal storage. Here is the box pack. It is powered by quad-core processor 1.5 GHz, that's the turbo MediaTek processor. Let's start the unboxing process. Here is the handset. We'll have a look at this later. Inside the box you'll find the battery of 3000 mAh capacity. There is the power adapter with USB and the USB to micro USB cable, and as you can see, that's all are the contents in the box pack. There is no earphone included. Here is the handset, a nice looking handset with very good build quality. On the rear side it's glossy white. The handset looks almost identical to the Apple iPhone 4. Here are the three touch sensitive buttons, the mic and the micro USB port at the bottom, the volume rockers on the left side, the 3.5mm audio jack on the top, the power button on the right side. The finishing is very good, as you can see. On the top you will find the LED indicator, in-call speaker, sensor and the 3MP front camera. On the rear side, the speaker out, Jiayu, logo, mic and 13MP rear autofocus camera with LED flash. Now let's check out the handset. We'll remove the film. This is how it looks on the front side and the rear side. Let's open up the battery compartment, and as you can see, it's a dual SIM handset. There is the SIM slot 1, SIM slot 2, micro SD card slot. The SIM slot 1 is micro SIM, SIM 2 is normal SIM, and of course the micro SD card slot. The handset weight is 145 grams with battery. The thickness is 11.18 mm. The breadth is 65.12 mm. And the length is approx 132.63 mm. Okay, this is the Jiayu logo, the animation, and here is the home screen. The touch is very smooth and responsive, and as you can see here, the navigation buttons do not light up. And here is the phone dialer with the video call option. The Android version is 4.2.1. Wi-Fi hotspot, USB and Bluetooth tethering is supported. 1.48 GB assigned for apps and 26 GB as phone storage. Here is the free internal storage for apps, 1.4 GB free, and of the 2 GB RAM you get 1.6 GB free. Let's check out the preferred install location, and as you can see, you can install apps on the internal storage and not on the external storage. Here are the GPS setting, EPO and AGPS supported. The LED notification blinking. System information, Cortex A7, 1.5 GHz, quad core with PowerVR GX544MP. The chipset is MT6589T, that is a turbo processor. Screen resolution is 1280 by 720 pixels. And here is the battery. It's 37 degrees, 97% charged. Here are the sensors: accelerometer, proximity, light, gyro, magnetic sensors. All of them are working. The quadrant benchmark score is 4786. Antutu score is 15,724. I did it again. It's 15,379 the second time. Wilamo HTML5 is 1646. Metal is 578. Nina Mark II 52.5 FPS. This handset supports 5-point multi-touch. There is built-in FM radio. The root checker, the device is rooted. Let's check out the camera. The rear autofocus camera supports 13 megapixel resolution. As you can see here, the picture size is 13MP. There is also the face detection and zero shutter delay. in the video option you can set it to fine to be able to record in full HD resolution. The front camera is of 3 megapixel resolution. I am now going to record a video in full HD resolution. The recording has already started. I'm going to check this video in MX Player, and as you can see, the video was recorded in full HD resolution 1080p at 30 frames per second. Here are some other videos I'm going to test out. The video works pretty smooth. This is MP4 at full HD resolution. Another video of a different format, checking out the properties. This is MKV at full HD resolution. The viewing angle is very good. You can clearly see in the screen the contents of the screen from different angle. And now it's time to check out the GPS. I am out in the open with 2G network, 5:32 PM. GPS already started. Still waiting for the lock, and at 5:34 PM I got the lock. I got the first lock within 2 minutes. And now for some action. Here is the Modern Combat 4 running on the Jiayu G4 handset. This game got installed on the internal storage. You cannot install or move apps on the external storage. The gameplay is pretty smooth. 32 GB is a lot of space. The screen is 4.7 inches with OGS display, and the color reproduction is very good. The Jiayu G4 sports a 4.7-inch IPS OGS screen with HD resolution. It is powered by MediaTek MT6589 processor clocked at 1.5 GHz. It runs the Android 4.2 with 2 GB RAM and 32 GB internal storage. There is 13 megapixel rear autofocus camera with LED flash. It is with the PSI sensor, and a front camera of 3 megapixel resolution. Battery is of a massive 3000 mAh capacity. This handset is priced at Rs 18,500. A good buy for the price with a very good build quality. For full review, sample images and videos, visit my website gogi.in.